Gates open, they're up and racing. Classical Bid, as expected, draws for your lead. Tiger Rafi, Instant, moving up by the rail. Good Humor racing in fourth. Down in fifth by the rail. Stormtrooper, then running on the outside. Gifted Jump is Smart and Noble by the rail. Then moving up is Promise as they race towards the last 800. Now we have Classical Bid running on the outside by 3/4 of a length lead. Instant running in second by the rail. Then here comes Good Humor closing in third, followed by Tiger Rafi, Stormtrooper, and comes entry number 1 is Smart and Noble alongside Dr. Choice as they 50. Classical Bid still leading the field. Good Humor moving up on the outside. Instant is by the rail. Third, Tiger Rafi, Stormtrooper as the action turns for home. Classical Bid still leading the field. Good Humor is on the outside. Instant is by the rail, but it's still Classical Bid by about 6 lengths now, followed by Good Humor, Instant, Stormtrooper, Dr. Choice, and finally Classical Bid winning the final race. Good Humor, Instant, then comes number 4 Stormtrooper, 11A Gifted Jump, and Bruno.
Okay, 12, 8, 2, 4, 11, 3.